Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into an exciting product review of the DDPAI N5 Dual 4K Dash Cam. With its dual camera setup, voice control, and advanced driver assistance systems, this dash cam promises to redefine your driving experience. So, if you're ready to learn more, hit that like button and let's get into it. Let's start by unboxing this dash cam. Inside, you'll find the main unit with both front and rear cameras, a car charger, a charging cable, a user manual, a quick guide, and an installation tool. The compact design makes it easy to position on your windshield, and the robust build quality ensures it's ready for any road conditions. The inclusion of the installation tool and guide makes setup simple, so let's move on to its features. The N5 Dual's 4K front camera captures clear, crisp footage at 3840x2160 resolution, while the 1080p rear camera provides additional coverage. The 7 high-quality optical lenses, combined with a large f1.8 aperture and night vision technology, ensure vivid clarity during the day and night. Thanks to the Advanced Driver Assistance System ADAS, this dash cam will give you voice alerts for the front vehicle starting and also for fatigue driving after long hours. If you're tired, it's time to take a break. You can customize these voice alerts directly from the mobile app. Another feature that stands out is voice control. If you see a beautiful landscape or need to capture a specific moment, just say, "Take a photo," and the dash cam will record 10, 20, or 30 seconds before and after your command. Everything is saved separately, making it easy to find. Thanks to the built-in 5G Wi-Fi, you can connect the dash cam to the DDPAI app, where you can easily preview, edit, and download videos directly to your phone. Sharing memorable driving moments with friends or family is just a tap away. With 32 gigabytes of built-in eMMC storage, you won't have to worry about losing important footage. And if you need more space, you can add up to 512 gigabytes with a TF card. The loop recording feature ensures old footage is overwritten with new, while the G sensor locks critical videos during a collision so they're not erased. Setting up the N5 Dual is straightforward. Just follow the quick guide, use the included installation tools, and route the charging cable through your car's interior. Once everything is in place, pair it with your phone using the app, and you're good to go. At $179.99, DDPAI N5 Dual is packed with features that make it a strong contender in the dash cam market. From its 4K front camera to voice control and ADAS alerts, it offers excellent value for anyone looking to step up their road safety. Overall, the DDPAI N5 Dual 4K Dash Cam is a reliable, feature-rich choice for drivers who want to capture every moment and enhance their safety on the road. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and feel free to ask any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.